Good morning, friends and viewers. Today's grammar class heading articles. 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 It's most important thing. The adjective a and the are called article. A and the and an. A and an. A and an are called definite articles. A and an are called definite articles because they do not refer to any particular person or place or anything. Example, दूसरा कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं बताता है किसको इसके लिए ये यूज़ करते हैं. ये गर्ल कोई भी बोल सकते हैं, एनी गर्ल ఏదో పని ఉంటే ఏ విలేజ్ ఒక గ్రామం कोई भी विलेज हो सकता है. ए मैन, a teacher, an engineer, an umbrella, an officer, etc. The is as definite article. The is known as definite article. DEFINIT because it refers to a particular person, place or thing. ഒരു പ്രത്യേക വ്യക്തിയെ വസ്തുവിനെ സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് ദി ഡെഫിനറ്റ് ആർട്ടിക്കിൾസ്. എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ദ സ്കൈ, ദ യുണൈറ്റഡ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്സ് ഓഫ് അമേരിക്ക, ദ ഹോളി ബൈബിൾ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, ഐ സോ എ ലേഡി, ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൽ എനി ലേഡി. It doesn't show any particular lady. I saw a lady. ഏത് ലേഡിയാണ് സോ ഏത് कोई भी और हो सकता है. She has an umbrella. Any umbrella. She has an umbrella. Next one. Our headmaster thanked the gentleman who helped the students. Our headmaster thanked the gentleman who helped the students. Bracket, that particular man, the man. So, the man. Next one. I saw the girl who got A+1 in the examination. I saw the girl, a particular girl, so the girl. I saw the girl who got A+1 in the examination. Next one. Remember, A, E, I, O are vowels, but all other letters in the English alphabet are consonants. CON, SON, ANT. If a word begins with A, vowels means A, E, O, U sound, we use an. Example, an apple, an engineer, an eye, an ox, an elephant, and an orange. If a word begins with a consonant sound, CON, SON, consonant sound, we use a mango, a house, a bench, a table, a cup, a chair, etc. But same words, even though they begin with a vowel A, O, and used like that. A uniform, A 1 rupee note, A union, A useful metric. But we never use and. See here, A uniform, A 1 rupee note, A union, A useful metric. Never use and. Some words begin with a silent I. An hour, an honorable man, an honest man, etc. Heading B. B is called definite article because it's used when we refer to a particular person or animal or thing. तो प्रत्येक व्यक्तियों वस्तुविനെ കാണിക്കുന്നതിനാണ് ബി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. कोई स्पेशल आदमी या animal or thing चलिए दी यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द मैन हु सेल्स रेडीमेड ड्रेस. दिस इज द मैन हु सेल्स ready-made dress. So the particular man. This is the boy who got first rank in the examination. This is the boy who got first rank in the examination. Next one. This is the laptop which I bought last week. This is the laptop which I bought last week. This is the dog which with the stranger. This is the dog which with the stranger. Next one. Be careful. We always use the. There are two types of pronunciation. When we use A, I, O, U, you have to use the. The international airport. The airport. No, the international. You got AEO. The United Kingdom, the, not the. The industries, the industries. But some other words are not using the. They are all the. The forest department, the Ganga river, the Himalaya. But don't use the. The only for A, the. The English medium. The engineering college. Not the. But for other things, the. The forest department. The transport bus stand. Not the. The name of our school. The name. The name of our school. The engineering college. All this you should not confuse. Next one. The use before holy books. The Holy Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. The use before the newspaper. The Times of India, the Malayalam Manoma, the Indian Express. Before the superlative degree. John is the cleverest boy in the class. John is the cleverest, only for superlative. This is the heaviest box. Mumbai is the large city in India. Mumbai is the large city in India. The using before common noun. The sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the world. Next, before the name of countries. The United Kingdom, the USSR, the United States of America. Before plural nouns. The people are very strong. The Englishmen are fearless. The French people live in France. But in some other places, these not used. Article these not used. Before the name of language. Example, English is spoken everywhere. Don't use the or the. Sanskrit is a nice language. Hindi is easy to learn. Never use the Hindi, the English. Hindi is easy to learn. Don't use the word. Okay? Before preposition, they do not use. Before anonymity, सेंटर में आ सकते हैं, नडकुवरा बीच में आ सकते हैं. दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, शुरुआत में नहीं आना मतलब, आरंभ तो रामगढ़. अशोका वाज ए ग्रेट किंग. बिफोर abstract noun. All saints believe in mercy. Yes, Saul is a man of courage. King Ashoka King Ashoka loved truth. ഈ ചില സ്ഥലങ്ങൾ ദീപിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. Before materials noun, don't use. Wheat is staple food in North India. Staple, S-T-A-P-L, staple, മുഖ്യ ആഹാരം. Wheat is staple food in North India. നോർത്ത് ഇന്ത്യൻസിൻ്റെ മുഖ്യ ആഹാരമാണ്. ബ്രെഡ് ഈസ് മെയ്ഡ് ഓഫ് ഫ്ലോർ, ഇപ്പോൾ ഓയിൽ. ബ്രെഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത് മൈദ കൊണ്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ദീ ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. ദീ ഇസ് നോട്ട് യൂസ്. Gold is precious material. Don't use the gold or the gold. Then, before the name of games, sports cup आज में वे कर बोल रहा. The cricket नहीं बोल रहा. Cricket is played in most of the countries. शुरुआत में नहीं बनता, आरंभ में दिव्य का बोला. Cricket is played in most of the countries. नीचे में आ सकते हैं. लड़कों Children play football in the evening. बीच में आ गया. Never use in front of. मुंबई में भी क्या बोल रहा है, सामने नहीं करना. Children play football in the evening. Before the name of meals, don't use the. Breakfast is getting ready. Don't use the breakfast. When do you have your dinner? Never use the. When do you have dinner? Don't use when do you have the dinner. Never use. Next one. Before plural nouns when they are used in general sentence. Don't use the. Mangoes are more available in Kerala. Don't use the mangoes. Once again, mangoes are more available in Kerala. Number 2. Apples are grown in Kashmir. Don't use the apples. Books are made of paper. Don't use the books. Books are made of paper. Next one. The following expression then the never use. The never use करने का कोई बात, very important है. By land, by sea, by air, by train, by bus, by car. Don't use by the car, by the bus, by the air. Don't use by. कभी यूज़ नहीं करने को, भाई आवश्यक है. Once again, by land, by sea, by air, by train, by flight, by car, by bus. Don't use the. Example, we are going to London by air. कभी नहीं सुने को. We are going to London by air. They are traveling by train. Don't use the. Next one. The following expression never use the. Church, market, hospital वगैरह के सामने the विधान पालिला. Never use the. Example, students go to school to learn. Number one, they go to church every day. I am going to market to buy vegetable. I am going to market to buy vegetable. Don't use the. Patients go to hospital to consult. Next one. Next one. AEOE का साथ में the use करने का. I have told you but the international export. The industries. The. But other things are the forest, the animal kingdom, the supermarket, not the. Okay? This is more important. Study well. Okay? Have a nice day.